The idea of boating is always sold as pure freedom: open skies, a gentle breeze, and glassy water stretching to the horizon. That is, until you hit a submerged branch. The marine environment is actively hostile. Every time you leave the slip, you navigate around rocky shallows, misjudged docking approaches, corrosive salt spray, and relentless UV radiation baking the deck. This creates a hidden tax on boat ownership. Many owners find themselves spending nearly as much time polishing, patching, and maintaining their vessels as they do actually driving them. The water does not care about your weekend plans. It slowly degrades your investment, turning recreation into an ongoing chore. You can see this struggle in how we've historically built boats. Look at this traditional wooden framing. Wood requires incredible craftsmanship, but it also demands endless sealing and varnishing to keep the water out. Moving to mass production brought us fiberglass. But as we see with this weathered hull, fiberglass is rigid and brittle. A hard impact means cracked gel coat, spiderweb fractures, and expensive patch jobs. Metal hulls offer more toughness, but they trade cracking for permanent dents. And over time, aluminum is susceptible to galvanic corrosion, where the saltwater chemically degrades the metal itself. For decades, buying a boat made from these legacy materials meant accepting physical decay as a required cost of admission. To find a material built for constant abuse, we have to look away from the marina and toward heavy industry. Facilities like this massive chemical plant simply cannot afford catastrophic material failures. Their infrastructure relies on high-density polyethylene, or HDPE. You might actually recognize its early consumer origins. This is the exact same polymer that fueled the hula hoop craze of the 1950s. Today, it forms the backbone of global municipal water and gas networks. Let's see why it performs so well. Standard plastics have loose, branching molecules, but HDPE's molecules are strictly linear, packing tightly together without weak branches. This dense barrier naturally floats, repels corrosive chemicals, and absorbs heavy impacts without breaking. HDPE is a highly specialized semi-crystalline polymer explicitly engineered to survive conditions that destroy standard materials. To bring this industrial polymer onto the water, Seastorm infuses the raw HDPE resin with advanced UV stabilizers, preventing it from baking and degrading in the harsh sun. They shape it using rotational molding. The mold spins on two axes inside an oven, where gravity and heat spread molten HDPE evenly across the interior. The process yields a hull that cools into one seamless piece, without welding or laminated layers. Without seams to split apart or layers to delaminate, Seastorm removes the exact initiation points where cracks, leaks, and rot usually start. Let's compare how these materials handle a collision. When a fiberglass boat hits a wooden dock, it shatters. When an aluminum boat hits a submerged rock, it dents. An HDPE hull responds to kinetic energy differently. Watch this mallet strike. The polymer structure flexes inward, absorbs the force of the blow, and immediately returns to its original shape. Because the material is chemically inert and its color is baked all the way through, a scrape won't reveal a different colored underlayer. There is no paint to chip, no gel coat to polish, and no wood to rot. Knowing your hull can simply shrug off a hard docking or a shallow scrape shifts the psychology of boating. You replace the constant anxiety of damage with total confidence. For families, a weekend on the water ends with a quick rinse from a hose, rather than hours of meticulous cleaning and damage assessment. Fishing enthusiasts can push into shallow, rocky, unpredictable inlets without worrying about breaching their hull. And for commercial operators, resorts, and rental fleets, it provides a reliable workhorse. The boat stays out on the water generating revenue instead of sitting in a repair shop. Seastorm utilizes the toughest material available to deliver true freedom on the water. Built to work, built to last.